You don't need to keep buying yogurt every week because today I'm going to show you how to make your own creamy yogurt at home with just simple ingredients. You don't need any machine or any stress. Now for this recipe, I'm using full cream milk. I'm using pig milk. Yes, please, the full cream milk is very important. It might not be pig, it can be lactose, it can be any other one. So far it's full cream milk, no problem. In this recipe, I'm using 1:2 ratio. That is 1 cup of milk to 2 cups of water. So I will start by adding 7 cups of milk. Then I'll add the first 7 cups of hot water and mix properly. Please, if you're joining my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe. This will really motivate me to do more. Thank you so much as you do so. Now, after mixing, I'm going to top up with the remaining water. These steps helps prevent lumps and ensures a smooth base. After mixing, I allow it to settle for a while. You're going to notice a light layer forming on top. This is normal. Gently skim it off. This will help improve the final texture and prevent unwanted thickness on top. Next, I strain the mixture using a sieve to remove any impurity. I usually sieve it twice to make it extra smooth. I recommend you do so, especially if you have this kind of sieve. But if you have cheesecloths, perfect. After that, I allow it to cool to a safe temperature. Now, if you don't have thermometer, you can use the finger test. Now, if you're using the finger test, if your finger can comfortably stay in the milk for about 10 seconds, then it's ready. It should feel like baby food. It's not warm, it's not hot. Now, this is very important because too much heat can kill the live bacteria we are about to add. Now, I scoop out a little of the milk and mix it with my yogurt culture. Please don't pour the culture directly in it. Always mix it separately first. Then I'll pour it back into the main mixture and stir gently. This culture is what transforms the milk into yogurt through fermentation. Please, when buying the yogurt culture, ensure that you buy the one that has not expired. Please, this is very important. After that, I cover it with a clean film and a cloth. Then I place it in the warmest part of my house to ferment for 8 to 12 hours. Now, I personally love leaving mine for about 10 hours. The longer it ferments within this range, the tangier it becomes. After 10 hours, this is what we have. Now, if you want a drinkable yogurt, you can whisk it and add your flavor of choice, your sugar, honey, or anything. Since we are going for a thick Greek yogurt, we are going to pour it into a cheesecloth and strain it. You're going to place this in a fridge while it's strained to keep it fresh and prevent more fermentation or spoilage. Now, after about 3 hours, you will notice it becomes thick and creamy. See this water here? This is known as whey. Please, I will tell you at the end of the video what you will use it for. See this goodness. Then whisk it. Add any sweetener of choice if you want sweet yogurt. But if you don't want, you can leave it like that. Now, this is so simple, it's natural and made right from your kitchen. Now, if you enjoy watching this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now, for the whey water, please don't discard it. You can use it for your smoothies, you can use it to bake, you can also sweeten it and drink it, or use it for making another yogurt. Is not a waste. Please don't waste it. It's very, very vital. In fact, it contains lots of probiotics. And also, let me also give you another hint. I also use it to soak gari. It bangs. It gives that Ijebu gari vibe. So you can give it a try if you want. Guys, see the goodness. Very thick, creamy and yummy. Tell me, why won't you try this? Now you can go ahead and use this for your parfait, your enjoyment. This is actually my first long video, and if you have watched to this end, I would love you to give me a review. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section if this was helpful, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye.